Scandinavian simplicity. The 2014 S60's interior embraces minimalist design with clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. Attention to detail is evident in the use of authentic materials like wood inlays and leather upholstery, as well as metallic frames around the air vents and light controls. Volvo added refined touches such as a revised headliner, new upholstery colors, and a redesigned gear knob with piano black accents and illuminated symbols for improved visibility. Available on T6 and R-Design trims, this TFT display offers three themes: traditional, eco, green, and performance, red, letting drivers tailor the cockpit look. A first for the S60, paddle shifters became standard on T6 AWD and R-Design trims, and optional on T5, offering more engaging, manual-style control. A 7-inch multimedia display with internet-connected apps like radio, weather, navigation, and a web browser. This system even allows gloved use and voice commands, depending on market option. Front seats. Volvo's hallmark, exceptionally comfortable and supportive, ideal for long journeys. Rear seats. Reviews note the rear cabin can feel tight, especially in legroom and foot space for adults over 5 foot 8 inch, typical for this class. Interior amenities. Standard features include dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, satellite radio, USB/AUX inputs, HD radio, and an 8-speaker sound system. Optional upgrades include leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, a power passenger seat, moonroof, navigation, rear seat entertainment, and a premium audio package. The 2014 model received a subtle yet impactful facelift, redesigned bumper, hood, fenders, grille, with larger Volvo emblem, integrated exhaust tips, and LED daytime running lights to enhance its sporty, refined appearance. Inside, it boasts updated instrument clusters featuring centrally positioned tachometers with customizable themes: elegance, eco, performance. Sport seats, especially in R-Design trim, are highly praised, ergonomically designed, supportive, just the right balance of comfort and firmness. Premium materials, such as wood, leather, metal trim, and options for light dark headliners, contribute to a high-end Scandinavian aesthetic. The Sensus-connected touch infotainment system includes glove-friendly touch input, internet connectivity, voice-activated Spotify, and Wi-Fi sharing functionality.